In today's video, I'll show you exactly how I practiced English for 4 hours straight in a library, and I'll show you how I use ChatGPT to improve my writing. Also, I will tell you one prompt that you can use to improve your writing skills. Also, how I learned natural English by watching Priyanka Chopra's podcast and picking out some useful words and sentences. So, if you have ever sat down to study and thought, what should I study now? What should I do now? Then this video will give you a complete roadmap. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from BIHAR, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is how my video starts. So this little girl spilled the milk and everyone was like busy and nobody saw her, and this is what happened. Anyways, now I'm getting ready and I'm just putting on some sunscreen, I mean, before heading outside. And this is my outfit. I'm wearing this frock after such a long time, and honestly, it looks so good on me. I swear, I just love it. And this is my bag, and this is me. क्या ची बोली?
किधर जा रही है?
अभी बोल रही थी किन्ने जा रही है, मोबाइल में बोलती है कि किधर जा रही है?
किधर जा रही है?
नहीं बोलो किन्ने जा रही है?
नहीं,
अभी बोली थी ना तुम किन्ने जा रही है?
किन्ने जा रही है?
लाइब्रेरी जा रही है।
हैं?
लाइब्रेरी
लाइब्रेरी कुछ करने जा रही है?
dance करें. So I purchased this notebook for myself and a pouch too, and this is the notebook. And I don't know why, but I always feel like starting something new in a fresh new notebook. कितना? So right now I'm at the study hall, and by the way, I don't know why, but I've been sweating so much these days. I guess it's because of the sunscreen. So the first thing I did was take out all my notebook and other stuff. And yes, it's stuff, not stuffs. Many people just misuse it. Stuff is already an uncountable noun, so we don't say stuffs. All right. Okay, so then I took out my earphones because obviously I can't play anything on speaker here. Also, let me tell you something that everyone calls this place a library. Even I used to say this library because, but technically it's a study hall, right? A library has books, right? And this place is just for studying, so I call it a study hall. Even if everyone else calls it a library, I don't care. Okay, anyway, just look at me what I'm doing, and you'll see that how much I am sweating. And if you're listening, that if you're seeing that I am doing mistakes and all, just correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And look at this, I'm sweating so much. By the way, where is it? Where is my pouch? Yeah, this is my pouch that I bought today. Okay, and the first thing I wanted to do was make a to-do list. Yes, because and at the top of my list was watching Priyanka Chopra's podcast, and after that I wanted to write down some useful sentences and new vocabulary from the past podcast. And then I revise a few things from my old notebook. So these two things I need to do today, and one more thing, which is writing practice. I'll tell you that after, after some time. So yeah, that was my to-do list, as you can see. So let's get started with the first task: watching Priyanka Chopra's podcast. And if you want to watch it too, I can leave the link in the description. Okay, and I took out my notebook and divided the page into two sections by the help of a ruler. Okay, on one side I'll write interesting sentences that I hear, especially the ones I really like or haven't heard before or that I can use. And on the other side, I'll write new vocabulary because I'm trying to improve my vocabulary these days. So today I am picking up new words and expressions from Priyanka Chopra's podcast, and she is absolutely my favorite speaker. And this is how I divided my notebook. Let me show you. Look at this. Okay, good. Now let's watch the podcast. So I watched it very carefully, and honestly, I enjoyed it, every single minute of it. I love the Priyanka. I love the way Priyanka speaks. I love the way she carries herself. I love her confidence, her aura, and yes, I love her husband. I know. I just kidding. So I have actually been procrastinating on watching this podcast for so long, and I'm finally doing it today because it's a really long podcast, around 1 hour and 44 minutes. And let me tell you something that I'm really happy about. I watched almost the entire podcast without subtitles. I honestly can't believe how much I have, improved. Earlier I couldn't watch English videos without subtitles, but now I don't really care whether they're on or off. I just don't care. And if I miss a word, I'll turn them for a moment. Otherwise, I'm completely fine without them. By the way, let me know in the comments who's your favorite English speaker. Mine is definitely Priyanka Chopra, no doubt. And let me tell you one fun fact. My sister name is also Priyanka. She's not Priyanka Chopra, though, but she's Priyanka Kumari. Anyway, I just love listening to Priyanka Chopra. I just love the way she speaks. I just love it. I just love her. And one more thing, I know some of you might be wondering why I'm only writing down the words and sentences without their meanings. And the reason is very simple. If I start looking up and writing the meaning of every single word right now, it will take forever. So today I'm just collecting them, I'm just writing them, and I'll come back later, maybe at home or maybe here in the study hall. I write the meanings properly, okay? And wait, let me show you that how much I have watched the podcast, and I have written already 2 page already. Wait, just wait, I am showing you. Look at this. I've already watched around 33 minutes of the podcast, and this is everything I have written so far. There are already so many words and sentences, so I think that's enough for now, right? And after that, I decided to revise some words from old notebook because I realized I had forgotten a lot of them. Yes. And the funny thing is, I still know their meanings. I just don't use them in my daily conversation. That's my problem. And yeah, that's my biggest problem. And since I'm in the study hall, I can only revise them silently in my mind, in my head. But if you're studying at home, please don't do that. Please trust me, don't do that. Read everything out loud. Seriously, take advantage of the fact that that you are at home and read out everything out loud. Fine. And I usually have the habit of reading aloud because it really helps with, pronunciation, confidence, remembering new words. I can't do that here. I just can't. So I'm just revising silently, but if you can read aloud, please do it. And trust me, it helps much more than you think. Trust me. And if you're wondering why I chose to study here instead of at home, it's because I genuinely feel more focused in this place, like in this particular place. I don't scroll through Instagram here, I swear to God. Sometimes I open it just to reply to messages from you guys, from my subscribers, from my followers, but that's about it. At home, I get distracted so easily. Okay, so now it's time for my writing practice with ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me 4 different exercises: part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. I've already put here the screen recording. If you want, you can just try the same exercise too. Okay, and just to be clear, I'm not a beginner anymore. You guys already know this. I'm not a beginner anymore. I used to be, but not now. So these exercises are helping me improve even more instead of just learning the basics and all. And before I started writing, I spent a few minutes just, thinking about my answer. I was thinking, and thinking. And that's another reason I like coming here. This place just gives me the space to think, right? And at home, I rarely get that kind of peace. No, I just no. If you are enjoying this vlog so far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're finding this video helpful, leave a comment. It really means a lot to me. Also, if you would like the ChatGPT prompt that I use for writing practice, keep watching this video till the end, and I'll tell you exactly where you can find it. I'll give you the exact prompt that you will just copy and paste it to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you with your writing practice. Fine. Also, once I finished writing my answers, I took pictures of my notebook and sent them to ChatGPT for feedback. Okay? And I think this is one of the best ways to practice with AI because you get instant corrections. मुझे पता है आप लोगों के पास कोई नहीं होगा, but you have the ChatGPT, you have AI, so start using it. Okay? And writing regularly is so important, my honey. It forces your brain to think in English instead of just recognizing English, and that's a huge difference. ये बताने की भी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay? And after ChatGPT corrected my work, I was just quietly read them all and corrected sentences again. Like whatever I have written, I corrected my sentences. Normally, I would read them out loud, but that since I'm in the study hall, I have to stay quiet. You know this. By the way, this side is the girls section, and the boys section is on the other side. I actually like that arrangement. I have been to a few different study halls where everyone sits together, and that's completely fine too. I don't just care. I honestly don't mind either way. Fine. And when I checked my results, ChatGPT even gave me a few of my answer a perfect 10 out of 10. And that made me so happy. Of course, I still made mistakes, and that's completely normal, and that's how we learn any language. Fine. And what else? I'm just doing the correction, whatever ChatGPT has given me. I just love practicing English in a study hall with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so this is part one, and this is my answer. Then, after this is the part two. After checking my work, I rewrote the corrected version on another page so I could remember it better. Okay. I have also shared the PDF in the description box if you would like to use it for your own practice. And if you do it, check it out. Please let me know what you think. And I'm sharing my real mistakes, my real progress with you. So I hope it helps, and please appreciate it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if any of my things are helping you. And that's everything I practiced today. Part 1, part 2, and this is the part 3. And see, I send the pictures of my answers to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT helped me with this, right? So you can do this too. Please start using ChatGPT. And what else? If you are still watching this video till the end, thank you so much. It truly means a lot to me, and I really appreciate your effort. And this is what I have practiced today. Part 2, part 3, my rewritten version, like whatever the ChatGPT has given me. I just rewrote it. Fine. And this is the last part 4. And now it's finally time to wrap up because I finished everything I wanted to do today. And now I'm just fixing my hair before leaving. And you know what? I studied for 4 hours straight without getting distracted. And that honestly feels so good. And sometimes, though, I do feel a little weird here because everyone around me is studying physics, chemistry, or maths, and then there's me just sitting here practicing English. पता नहीं मुझे थोड़ा क्या लगता है I don't really know how to explain the feeling. It's not exactly bad, just different. But at the end of the day, I know why I'm doing this, and that's what matters. Anyway, let's check my to-do list, and yeah, I completed all 3 things that I planned for today. So, see, and it feels so satisfying to take everything off. Now it's time to pack my things and head home. Honestly, I can't even explain how happy I feel after spending 4 hours studying instead of scrolling on Instagram. It feels like I actually used my time well. And yes, let's go out. ये देखो चप्पलों का ढेर मेरा चप्पल वेयर्स माई स्लीपर माई रेड स्लीपर्स आर रेडी टू हियर देख लो दिख क्या ये भी तैयार है अब चलो घर चलते हैं now I'm going to head home and finally eat something because I have only had breakfast today सुबह एक ही बार मैंने खाया था उसके बाद नहीं खाया मैंने और it's already I guess 6:15 p.m. I didn't eat anything in the afternoon so I'm really hungry now. I'm starving. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. लेकिन रुको मुझे घर जाने दो मुझे थोड़ा बोलना भी है यार. Bro, I just need to speak. I just want to speak. उतने देर से चुप थी मैं. अब I just want to speak. I'm back home, guys. I'm back home, and I'm feeling so good because I studied 4 hours straight. I don't know what to speak, but I did a good job. Great. Um, should I show you my notebook? Wait. So this is my notebook. This is what I studied, and if you want, I can send you the prompt. Okay, let me just paste it here. You can just screenshot, copy it, and paste it in the chat GPT. If you think I am going to just like मैं इसको ऐसे छोड़ दूंगी, then you're wrong. I'm going to read it again. I'm going to revise it again before going to bed. Like before going to sleep, I will revise it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you. Thank you for everything. Bye. I'll see you in my next video, and please tell me in the comment section that do you love this video or not. Okay. Bye bye.